Welcome to Car Update. Today we take a close look at one of the most luxurious cars ever made, the 2015 Rolls-Royce Phantom. Let's start with the front. The 2015 Phantom looks bold and powerful. The large chrome grille is a classic Rolls-Royce feature, and right above it sits the famous Spirit of Ecstasy. The headlights are square with modern LED lights. The front bumper is smooth and simple, giving the car a clean and elegant look. Now to the back. The Phantom's rear design is neat and classy. The taillights are small and surrounded by chrome. There are two exhaust tips, but they're not flashy. The Rolls-Royce badge sits proudly in the center. Everything about the rear is designed to look quiet and refined. From the right side, the Phantom looks long and impressive. The body is smooth with simple lines. Chrome trim surrounds the windows, and the wheels are large with the Rolls-Royce logo that always stays upright. It's a car that moves like a king, slow, steady, and full of style. On the left, the special doors stand out. These are coach doors, also called suicide doors, which open from the back. They make it easy to step in and out. Inside each door is a hidden umbrella, a small but clever feature. The paint is polished by hand, and looks amazing under sunlight. Now let's go inside. The Phantom's interior is all about luxury. There's soft leather everywhere, real wood panels, and shiny metal parts. It feels more like a private jet than a car. The roof can have a starlight headliner, tiny lights that look like stars. The back seats are like lounge chairs. They recline, have footrests, and come with fold-out tables. Passengers get their own climate controls too. The dashboard is clean and simple. There's a screen that hides behind a wood panel and a small quiet clock. The cabin is so quiet, you barely hear anything while driving. The 2015 Rolls-Royce Phantom is not just a car, it's a work of art, built for those who want the very best. Elegant, smooth, and powerful, this car defines true luxury. Thanks for watching Car Update.